Airborne.
Fox 9, cross runway 29 right.
Cross 29 right.
Head boss, Renegade, flight of 6 ready to go. We'll take off 2 by 2 by 2. Renegades, roger. Runway 29 right, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff 29 right, Renegades, flight of 6. And boss, our show will start with us coming from behind the crowd line overhead, so we'll go off to the north and set up and then come overhead to start the show. Hello, roger. And Renegades, we got somewhat of a left to right cross, left to right cross.
Check. Test check. Just keep it coming right. And quick, I'll slide behind you and below. Roger. More suck, Jim. You gonna make another turn?
Yep, I'm coming all the way back around again.
Okay.
going out north. Loosen them up, set them up, and arm your smoke. Smoke test, smoke on. Smoke off. Okay, bring it back in, and we're coming right. Nice, easy right turn. Okay, boss, we're 60 seconds out.
RV Renegade, the airport is yours.
Thank you. Rolling out. And Renegades, I'm going to use the center of the ramp that showed center of the ramp. Seconds to go. going below. Renegade, smoke on. Out.
5's out.
Airboss, Mustang. Airboss. Yeah, confirm ground is 2335. 2395 is ground.
Okay. Comes the pole. Coming right. Out and go to diamond. Comes the pole. Coming left. Rolling out. Comes the pole. Renegade smoke off.
5's coming down to the box.
4 to the right wing.
4's in.
Rolling out. 6 driving in. Got your sight.
5's going out of the box.
Renegade's coming left for the fingertip banana pass. Pulling power. 6 out. Renegade smoke on. Rolling out. Smoke off. Coming left and 4 to the slot.
5's coming down.
110. Rolling out. left, setting up for the Delta brake. Renegade smoke on. Rolling out. Stand by for the Renegade brake. Ready. Brake. 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 Too close. 5. Renegade smoke off. Okay, Bob, we're going to join up and come into the brakes to land.
Roger. Yeah, wind's 210 at 7.
Okay, we're going to do a pitch to land, so we'll come down the runway with smoke on to land.
All right. Just for planning purpose tomorrow, we're going to have to get you airborne so you're ready to do with an air start due to time constraints.
No, that's what we planned to, Bob. That's what we had hoped to do today, too, but with the airport closed, we just didn't get it done.
Okay, that's great. We'll make it work tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do this in 15 minutes with the airport closed.
All right, sounds good.
Rolling out. Okay, coming right, setting up for the double brick pitch to the left. The pitch will be to the left. Rolling out. Another 90 degrees to go. Okay, Renegade coming right, setting up for the double brick pitch. It will be a left pitch. Renegade smoke on. Rolling out. Stand by for the double brick pitch to land with a left pitch. Ready, 1, brake. 2, brake. 3, brake. 4, brake. 5, brake. 6, brake.
Airbus Pitfire 5412 or 10.
A little bit of an overshooting crop, folks.
Call my Airbus frequency. Say it again. Pitfire 5410. Spitfire 5410, go ahead. Yeah, we're running a little late. Sorry about that. We're 15 minutes out. Can you squeeze us in between somewhere there? But now you're going to have to wait till 5 after 4. The Raptor is just about ready to take the runway with a Mustang, and I won't be able to break into his act at any point. Okay, roger. Yeah, it'll be 4:05, 35 minutes from right now.
Okay, roger.
And you're coming from what direction?
We're from the south right now.
And you're still, how many miles out?
We're 35 miles.
Yeah, we'll have to delay this. Raptor's about ready to take the runway for departure. 4:05.
I understand. Thank you.
All clear, Steve. It's a Polish high speed just prior to Alpha 7.
Renegade flight, you can turn left on Alpha and taxi back to the hot ramp.
Renegade, copy, flight of 6, thanks.
5's clear.
Raptor, Mustang, runway 29 right, line up and wait. And the Raptor flight, do you have any problem with the 6R being taxied into the hot wrap on Alpha?
No.
Okay. Raptor flight, runway 29 right, cleared for takeoff. The airport is yours.
Raptor copies all. Saying you're cleared for press. Mustang, say positive.
Just on the eastern end of the runway. Yeah, almost to 7,500 on the clock.
Copy that. I'm 2.5 miles to the northwest above 10.
And a Raptor flight, just to clarify, you do have up to 15,000.
Copy that, up to 15,000. Thanks.
You're in sight, no faster.